Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Charm Zora reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store based in Canada and United States that deals with fashion women's clothing, including blouses and shirts, Christmas gifts, leggings, sweaters and cardigans, coats, hoodies, socks, etc. And Christmas based products are including socks, earrings, women's snowman print long sleeve tops, and various other t-shirts. So this was the offering of this website. Now guys, let's check out the prices of these offerings. So you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's take a look at the payment information of this website. So for that you need to scroll down this website and here you can find payment method section. So guys, in this section you can find the payment information and this website accepts online payments via Visa, MasterCard, Master, American Express, Discover and PayPal. So this was the payment information. Now let's check out the shipping info of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping information section and guys, here they have mentioned that it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for your order while some items may take longer than expected. So the total delivery time will be processing time plus shipping time. So it depends on the location as well. So this was the shipping policy guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 27th of March 2020. This means that this website is particularly 8 months old and according to a study, this domain name is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this was the domain information. Now let's check out the About Us section of this website. So this is the About Us page of this website and here you can see they have mentioned the information related to the offerings, but I'm not able to view any information related to the business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is a negative sign here. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. For that, just click this contact us option and here you can see they have mentioned an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But guys, they have not provided contact details including company's official address and contact number. So this is a bad sign here. And talking about social media presence guys, so here you can see 4 social media icons are available on this website, but this site has social media presence on Instagram and Facebook, and the 2 remaining social media icons are misleading and inactive. So this was the social media existence information. Now let's check out the return and refund policy guys. So according to the website details, the website has mentioned 15 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And apart from that, I would like to inform you all that the trust index score of this site is 1% only, which is really very bad. And guys, talking about Charm Zora reviews, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet. And we have found some negative comments on Facebook page. One of the customers wrote that do not buy from this company. The sizes are not what they say. The quality thin. Customer service is a joke. Don't waste your money. And horrible, horrible. And on the same comment, 3 other customers replied. So this was the review information, guys, that most of the customers, or you can say majority of the customers, are dissatisfied with the quality and customer service of the company. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be legit, but we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as this website has so many loopholes. So please make a wise decision and explore this website from your end before making any online purchase or before making any decision. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.